Hi, welcome to Goose 9, episode 9199. I'm your host, the Goose, and today we're going to be talking about ionic and covalent bonds. Follow me to my laboratory. Ionic bonds are the electrostatic forces that hold ions together in ionic compounds. Cations and anions are examples of atoms that are held together by these ionic bonds. Here's an example. Crystal lattice is an example of an ionic compound. Crystal lattice are formed by the symmetrical three-dimensional arrangement of atoms inside a crystal. Polyatomic ions, or molecular ions, are three or more atoms that are held together by covalent bonds. They can act as a single unit. Examples of these are phosphite, arsenite, and chromite. Here's an easy step-by-step guide on how to name these ionic compounds. Step 1, write down the formula of the ionic compound. Step 2, write down the name of the metal or the cation. Step 3, write down the name of the non-metal or the anion with the ID and E. Step 4, combine the names. And step 5, practice on easier ones. Now let us embark to the covalent bonds in my deeper section of my laboratory. Covalent bonds are bonds that are formed when electrons are being shared across atoms. These atoms that are sharing these electrons are called molecules. Here are two examples. When one pair of electrons is being shared, it's called a single bond. When two pairs, it's a double. And when there's three, it's a triple. The VSPR theory states that the repulsion between electrons in the molecular shapes, it makes a change so that the valence electrons are as far apart as possible, like these. Molecular polarity is when there are no bonds, no polar bonds inside a molecule, and there's no charge, basically, resulting in it becoming non-polar. HSiCl3 is an example of a covalent bond. The name of this is called trichlorosilane. This is the Lewis dot structure. The shape of the molecule is a tetrahedral. This is the 3D structural formula. The overall compound is polar, and the molecule is has a polar covalent bonding. Well, this concludes today's episode of Gooseland. Come back for episode 10,000, and I'll see you there. Bye-bye.